Long time since I haven't uploaded any video. I had few issues, so I couldn't upload any video. So from now onwards I'll be uploading reviews on my scale models daily, and if I go on hunt, we'll upload an vlog type of video of Hot Wheels hunt. As we know, recently Hot Wheels JKs has started coming to India. So as I have told you in my YouTube post yesterday that I'll be reviewing a new model of BMW by Cool Chick Auto, which is a Chinese brand. I got it for around 750 rupees Indian MRP. So let's review it. So let's begin. So this is the car. Let my camera focus. So this is the car in neon green color, 2021 model. So it has this kidney grille with number plate telling BMW M4, and it has the BMW logo too in the front. Painted grille. Sorry, the grille isn't painted. The grille has some structure. Headlights are painted though. Then you have these wheels. This one are perfect for this car. Some say this Cool Chick Auto cars don't have proper wheels, so they do the wheel swaps. The best part of this model is you have screws. You don't have thing like Hot Wheels or any other scale model. You yourself can do the wheel swap part if you get proper wheels. So on the front, these are the details. Painted headlights. You have the grille structure with BMW M4 number plate. And let's go to the side profile. So this side you have the amazing wheels. Then you have some design over here. The door design, the side mirrors are connected to the car itself. Then you have the fuel cap design also, which is not included in many of the models actually, especially in Hot Wheels sometimes. Then back side, it might disappoint you because there is no BMW logo or the number plate. Custom people can make and add it actually who want to modify. It would give a good look. And the best part, it has active suspension too, just like the majority ones. Underbody detailing is also very good, and it's written 1:64 BMW M4 licensed by BMW CCA. The best BMW scale models you can get in budget is by CCA only. We have the BMW Z4, BMW i7, and few BMW M4 GT something. Let's go into the interior details. It wouldn't be visible in the camera, but it has interior details. Steering wheel, seats, and even you have the wiper details on the front. And the upper part, it is like carbon fiber design like thing. You can only feel it when you touch it. Here it is smooth, here it's rough. Let me make you hear. There is no sound, right? Now see. So carbon fiber like detailing over here. So this is the BMW M4 casting by Cool Chick Auto, and for 730 rupees, not only this car, you even get a acrylic case. Wait, let me show you the acrylic case. This is the acrylic case actually. I am using it as case for my Hot Wheels Red Bull F1. So I kept the Max Verstappen stickers. This is a strong acrylic case you get with this car. How strong this is. And you have this Lego like structures to fit in the another acrylic case on top. These are given for that only. If you get another CCA model, you can stack it up on top. So this is the acrylic case you get with the car. Let me show you. And also you get this with it. It says BMW M4 1:64 CCA Kulchi College Auto Official License, and it says the BMW logo and the BMW World mark are trademarks of the BMW AG and are used under license. So I am using it for the Red Bull one, so I have designed some stuff. Let me keep this and keep the car and show you how it looks in the acrylic case. This is how it looks in the acrylic case. So let me remove it. Keep it aside. Sorry, it took me some time to set up the case actually. So this is the car. Let camera focus. So this is the car 1:64. This is the 2021 BMW M4, right? I have a Hot Wheels one. Let me show. This is the Hot Wheels one, BMW M4, but older model. I have played with it so much, so it's not very maintained condition. But this thing has back details very well. So as I told you, you get this in a blister like this. Cool chic auto, and here you get the car inside this and the acrylic case over here, and back side you have this officially licensed car company names, and this is the thing. It's not very strong but can be used as protected case for Hot Wheels STH even. So let's end this video with this car, guys. Next video. So let's end this video with this car, guys. Next video I will be reviewing on the Hot Wheels mainline Red Bull F1. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned and subscribe, and please do share and comment. And comment what car review or the brand review you want.